Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my desk tour. Now this is one of the most requested videos, so yeah, I thought of sharing it with you all during these quarantine days. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically this is how my desk looks like. It's sort of like this. As you can see, it's very minimal desk, and I have just placed this glass on top of the desk, as you can see, and a white chart paper below it. Now on the right side I just have my TV unit and all, and on the left side is my balcony. So it's like a big window which is connected to the balcony, and straight up I have this cabinet or shelf sort of a thing where basically there's like a book section and something. So I think I would include that in the desk door. Let's come to the things that I've first kept on the desk. As you can see, the first thing is this flower money plant thing. So basically this is an old fancy alcohol bottle. I love collecting such kind of bottles. I will come to that later on, but yeah, I've just grown this money plant in it and it looks amazing. It's really nice. You do not need any soil for money plant, you just need a water and a good bottle, trust me. Then I have this planner. This is my bullet journal of 2020. I've already shared videos, everything will be in the description box, and I just covered it up with this wrapping paper. Then I have this basket with a bunch of essentials like colorful pens and all. Now I have another video separately dedicated on how I use baskets to store everything, so you can check it out. Then here, as you can see, I have a deodorant, that Chirok deodorant, and then I have a couple of notepads and a small little notebook, watch, and this green thing that you can see. Okay, so this is basically the Camelin watercolors. So let me just show it to you all. These are the watercolor pens by Camelin, and it comes in this box itself. So I think it's a great way to organize it. So yeah, I keep it in that as only, and I have removed the label so you cannot see Camelin written on it, but yeah, it is from Camelin. Then I have this Nutella jar in which I store all of my like fancy stuff. Not fancy, but yeah. So I have these unicorn pens. Then these are the UV light invisible pens, markers, whiteboard markers that I use, which I'll come to that in future. Now this is again a basket, or I don't know what you call a pen holder, yeah, from DMart, and I've kept all the essential pens. Now these are not the only pens that I have, but yeah, I've just kept, like, there are random pens like Montex, Pentel, Uniball. Then this is the Octane one. This is the Lantu one. So yeah, there's just like all the pens and pencils kept here. Then I have this box. So this is basically a phone box, and I have kept all of these loose sheets and post-its in this. So that is what I have here. Then this tin, as you can see, this tin is actually something that I stole from my brother. This was his gift, so I stole it. Yeah. And this is a mandala, which again I got it from my brother. So one of his friends gifted it to him. Then I have my laptop, which is pretty basic and it literally crashes every now and then. So yeah, I have the laptop. And then right below the desk I have 3 drawers, as you can see, and above I'll come to that later. First let's start with the drawers. So the first drawer, it's something like this, where I've kept all of my stationery sort of things. So let's start from the right. I have like erasers and sharpeners. Then I have these are basically like daily essentials like cartridges, paper clips, then stapler pins and glue and all that. These are some color pencils, like the very tiny ones. I have these paint section. Then these are the 2 scientific calculators. I have a complete box of highlighters. Then I have a bunch of tapes, ribbons. These are the color pencils that I've just binded like this. Then yeah, so these are 2 pouches This one and the blue one, it is filled with pens. I'm not gonna lie, it is literally filled with so many pens. Let me just show you guys. So these all are like normal pens that I haven't used yet. I must have reviewed them or shown them to you guys, but I haven't like used them, so I've kept it here. And then in this pouch I have a bunch of sketch pens that I do use. So yeah, that is what I keep over here in this drawer. Coming to the next drawer, this one, as you can see, it contains all of my books and the essential things. So first of all, I have these two pouches, folders that I've got from D-Mart. They're pretty cute, just for $9, trust me, 9 rupees. In this one, I've kept all these loose papers, art and craft stuffs, like, you know, literally small papers. This is entire sticker thing. Now these butterfly foam stickers, I've literally pasted them everywhere. Like I've stuck them on my desk, as you can see. I really like it. I think it looks pretty cute, and because it's a sticker, you can remove and replace. Then I have this word search puzzle and my textbooks. Then this is like my favorite part, because these are the DIY books. Again, I'll link it in the description box below. And yeah, I do use the books. I have a couple of books like from Instagram, stationery stores, Matricas, D-Mart, Doodle Collection. Here I have my flashcards, and these are again some DIY books and some books from Doodle Collection. And yeah, most of the books are filled. There are just like 3 to 4 books that are not filled. So yeah, I do use the books. I do not like to waste anything. Now this is like another drawer. So I forgot to mention that yes, I do use these bubble wraps to cover the below part so that nothing is like damaged or anything, just as a protection. So here, as you can see, I have a bunch of files. Now in this I keep all of my documents, bills, everything. Let me know if you want a video on how to organize your files and papers, because that is what it is. Then I have this coin pouch, a bunch of envelopes, some of my important bills. Then here I have metal straws. These metal straws I ordered off Amazon for like 160. It came 4. So I just have 3 over here and 1 is in my kitchen. It's very useful, eco-friendly, and the cool thing is comes with this brush to clean it. That is the best part. Yeah, so then here, as you can see, I have this little keychain part. These are 2 headphones, extra ones. I have the wireless one. Then I have these mint strips as mouth refresheners. Then I have a bunch of gum, chewing gum. These are by Amident or Aimdent, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, these are some chewing gums. And then I have my MI watch. A lot of you guys have asked me to review this with my headphones, like the wireless ones, which I will do soon. But the thing is, my dog Simba, he ate this up. He literally bit it off, so this is how it has become. So I have to buy a new band. So once the quarantine days are over, I'll order it and then I'll share a review with you guys. But I genuinely like this, so you kind of know like how I feel about it. So yeah, this is all that I keep here. So like right after the desk below it, I have like this box, or you can say like a compartment like this, where I store more stuff. So here I store the big things, or like the things that are not used on a daily basis. So here I have this box of colors, some notebooks, those are wrapping papers and cover papers, my note folders and random paper folders, some more notebooks, some of my college files, and then these are stack of papers, blank and ruled. Both the papers are there, and this is my D box, so dissection box. So yeah, that is what I keep over here. Now coming to the above part. So first of all, here what I've basically done is stuck up this entire whiteboard. So first, this is like a place where I had put up lamp, but I broke it accidentally, so I'm supposed to get a new one. So the wires are hanging, ignore that. This is just like a habits to follow chart. This keychain is so cute. So I actually got it from Game Zone, like you collect the tickets and then you can buy something. So this whiteboard, it's a whiteboard sticker actually that I got off Amazon or Flipkart. Very useful, I'll link it down below. Then comes this. So here, as you can see, first I have this bookshelf sort of a thing here, book compartment. Now, I was a book reader back then, like when I was in 10th, 11th, then I stopped reading. Now I'm back at it, so I'm collecting a bunch of books. So I have ordered a couple of books, so I will show a haul to you guys maybe in future videos, so make sure you're subscribed. So yeah, there is just this empty space that I'm going to be filling up later with a bunch of books. So yeah, let me know if you're reading any books right now. Which book are you reading? Now these all are again more compartments where you can store. This is what I was talking about when I told you about the glass bottles. Ta-da! These are literally all of the collection that I have. Back, it's filled, it's stacked up. Back, I don't know if you can see or not, I have a bunch of perfume bottles and all the milkshake juice glass bottles. I am a hoarder for that. Then over here I have craft supplies. Now these boxes that you can see, these are shoe boxes that I have covered it up with wrapping paper. I think they look so cute. It's a good hack, you should definitely try it. And this basket is filled with all of the craft supplies. Like you can see, I have my phone cases and envelopes and papers and craft things. This one again has all that. Now this is pretty special to me. It has all of my memorable things, like, you know, when I was a prefect back in school, the badge, then some of my school photographs, ID cards, all of those things, some of precious letters and gifts. Now this is like block full of books. You will find a lot of examination books. I have all of these cat books that I use to prepare for my cat. So I haven't started preparing yet, but yeah, I've just got the books. And you'll find a lot of English books like vocabulary and all that. That is because like side by side, I also like to teach kids. Now I do not teach like elder people, I teach kids of like kindergarten and like 1st to 5th grade. So for that I have to make sure that even I improve English, because mostly I teach them English. So I make sure that, you know, I am at least correct in whatever I teach them, because nobody is perfect and nobody is good at anything like to the point of perfection. So yeah, that is what I do. So this was my desk tour. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.